Welcome to Excel at School. I'm here to show you a trick to shading intersections versus unions in Venn diagrams. As you can see, there's a big difference between a set A intersecting set B and set A with the union of set B. Let's look at some intersection problems. Let's look at the familiar one, A intersection B. We can also say A and B. Okay, so what is the trick? The trick here is to use a hatch pattern on both A and a hatch pattern on B. So here I've drawn a vertical hatch pattern on A. Now I'm going to do the same thing on B, but I'll do it on the next rectangle. And the very important part is that I am doing the hatch pattern in the opposite direction at 90 degrees. So my hatch pattern here will be horizontal. To illustrate this properly to you, I've drawn them on two different rectangles. One of them is hatched vertically and the other one is hatched horizontally. What would happen if I merge them together? And this is what happens when you merge those two sets together. And the intersection of A and B is where the vertical and the horizontal meet together and form a grid over here. And the resulting intersection A, the intersection B, will look like this. Now let's try something more challenging. Let's do A intersection B complement. B complement means anything except B. If you've forgotten what B complement is, have a look at my previous video on Venn diagrams. Okay, so first of all, we'll draw the hatch pattern, the vertical one, on A. So there it is. Now I'm going to draw the horizontal hatch pattern on everything that is not B. And so the intersection can be found where the grid is formed here from the horizontal and the vertical hatches. And you can see the result here on the right hand side. So how do we go by drawing a union of two sets? Using a horizontal or a vertical line, doesn't matter, I'll use a horizontal. I'm going to shade in A first of all. So set A now has been hatched horizontally. The trick here with set B is that when we're hatching it, we will also use horizontal lines. And the resulting union consists of all horizontal lines. So our horizontal lines were in here, and in here. Again, let's choose something slightly more challenging. A with union complement of B. So again, we'll use horizontal lines for A. And now, once again, I'll use the horizontal lines for everything except B, because we're looking for the complement of B. And the result here is that it must be shaded everywhere where there is a line. So in this case, this is going to be shaded, this is going to be shaded, and this is going to be shaded. The only part that does not contain lines is here on the right hand side there. I hope that you really found this trick helpful. If you use this trick, you can't go wrong. So thank you for watching this, and if you did find this very helpful, then please subscribe and you'll get notified when my next videos come. And also I would like you to click on the thumb to show that you like it. So stay tuned for the next Venn diagram using sets that have elements with real life problems.